The Axe and the Woodcutter. Once there lived a woodcutter in a village. He was poor but hardworking. He used to go to the forest to cut down trees for wood. He sold them in the market and earned money for some food. One day, as he was cutting a tree, his axe accidentally fell into the river. The river was deep and was flowing fast. It carried away his axe swiftly. The woodcutter sat at the bank of the river and began to cry. Suddenly, a fairy arose and asked him what happened. The woodcutter told her the story. The fairy offered to help him by looking for his axe. She disappeared into the river and soon came up with a golden axe. The fairy asked the woodcutter if it was his axe, but the woodcutter said it was not his. She disappeared again and this time came back with a silver axe. Again, she asked him if it belongs to him, but the woodcutter said that was not his either. The fairy disappeared into the water again, and this time came back with an iron axe. A woodcutter jumped with joy and said it was his. The fairy was impressed with the woodcutter's honesty and gifted him both the golden and the silver axes. Moral of the story? Honesty is the best policy.